Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Swastika from Swastika's Lifestyle. So today I'm going for another outing. It's also a cafe hopping. Basically, you can say this is my outfit today. You see, this is the earrings and this is the jewelry. I have taken it from Shambhajan itself. It's 150 rupees only. So yeah, I'll be starting from my home and definitely I'll be going to the North Kolkata. From Shambhajan I'll be taking metro to Kalighat. So I'll be sharing each and every details in this particular vlog. Even the place where I'm going to visit, I'll be sharing the whole details of this particular place, the location, price, food quality and quantity, everything. So let's go. I'll be sharing everything in this particular vlog. Stay tuned. So guys, same location. We have started from Shambhajan. So we have started from Shambhajan itself. We'll be taking metro from here and then Kalighat, right?
Yeah, Kalighat.
Kalighat. So, okay. So, which restaurant we are going to have today?
Today we are visiting Sienna.
Sienna. Okay, the Sienna restaurant, and I'll be sharing the details, food, location, everything very soon. So, guys, we are visiting Sienna, and can you please elaborate which theme it based on?
Actually, Sienna, the word means red soil.
Okay.
So the red soil is founded in Shantiniketan, as you know. So লাল মাটি যেটাকে আমরা বলি।
বাংলা যেটাকে লাল মাটির দেশ বলা হয়।
So Sienna, you can say, is like a kind of new Bengal and kind of old Bengal, kind of a fusion.
So combination of fusion like new and old Bengal, right?
Yes.
And it's a combination of village also, some village culture, rural area.
Yes.
Based on rural area, village culture. So let's go, and we are going through number 1 metro station, Shambhajan at number metro gate, and we will be starting from Kalighat metro gate number 4. So let's see. For Kalighat, we will be going through this way. So this is towards Goriahat. We will be taking auto from. This is through the Lake Mall. We will be going through the Lake Mall. This is the area. This is the 5 point, and this is near Bashani Devi College. We will have to work towards Kondigde. We will have to work towards this way, opposite of Bashani. The opposite of Bashani Devi College way. We will have to go through this way. We are going through this way. Crystal Chopstick, and by this restaurant we will have to work for কতক্ষণ
1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, 1 to 2 minutes. So লোকেশনটা কি বলবি বল?
এক্সাক্ট লোকেশন বলতে বাসন্তী দেবী কলেজটাই মাপ করে আসা যেতে পারে। বাসন্তী দেবী কলেজের উল্টো দিকে যে সোজা যে রাস্তাটা আছে ওখান থেকে 2 to 3 minutes হাঁটা পড়বে।
So let's go over there and we will be talking about that. This is the Bonafile. We have seen this restaurant also. So viral restaurant destination Sienna. Destination Sienna. As you can see, boutique is also available over here. So let's go in. So as you can see, this is the inside boutique of Sienna Cafe. Just see the look. If you wanna do some shopping from here, you can also go through those things. So শুধু খাওয়া না, Sienna Cafe is a full package of food and shopping too. See, the things are available. This is some perfume, if I'm not wrong, yeah, perfumes. Lots of fragrance things are also available. Even আমরা যেটা জানি শান্তিনিকেতনে গেলে পোড়ামাটির জিনিসপত্র যেগুলো আমরা বাড়িতে যা শুনলাম এদের সেলফ পটরি আছে ফ্রম শান্তিনিকেতন, and they used to make those things from Shantiniketan itself. So আমি যা শুনলাম এখানে সেলফ পোর্ট্রেট আছে। এই একজনের সাথে কথা বলেছিলাম, ভিডিও অ্যালাউড না ইনসাইড, আমি জন্য তোমাদেরকে পুরোপুরি ভিডিওটা করতে পারিনি। বাট হ্যাঁ, এদের নিজস্ব পটরি আছে শান্তিনিকেতনে। এরা শান্তিনিকেতন থেকে ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি দিয়ে এগুলোকে বানিয়ে আনে। শান্তিনিকেতন আমরা পোড়ামাটি জিনিস দেখতে পাই, ড্রেসেস, জামা কাপড়, প্যান্ট, জামা যা গার্মেন্টস বাগেরা, জুয়েলারিজ দেখতে পাই। তবে হ্যাঁ, বিট অফ হাই ইন প্রাইস, টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট, ইফ আই সে ট্রুলি, বিকজ সি, you are my viewers, you are my subscribers, so I can't say anything wrong or anything false to make them business. So to to be very honest, price is a bit of high. Definitely, if you are taking something by using middleman, the price will be a bit of high. But yeah, thing is good. Things are good. Very good. Basically, if you wanna purchase those Puramati jinishpotro or bottles, jewelries, dresses, then you can go to the Shantiniketan, Vishnupur, these things. And এখনও আমরা ভিতরে জায়গা পাইনি, সো তোমরা যারা সিয়েনা আসতে চাইছো তারা প্লিজ আগে থেকে বুক করে অ্যান্ড টেবিল বুক করে এসো, তোমরা প্রি বুকিং করে এসো। ইট কুড বি বেটার ফর ইউ টু গেট দ্য চান্স টু বি সিটেড অ্যাজ আর্লি অ্যাজ পসিবল। সো দে আর আস্কিং লাইক ইউ উইল হ্যাভ টু ওয়েট ফর হাফ অ্যান আওয়ার অ্যান্ড লেটস সি। Actual location of Siena, if I say opposite of Bashani Devi College, you will have to take the lane and then take the right side, second right, you will be getting this restaurant. So that's it. This is the actual location of Siena restaurant. আর এখানকার অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স বাগেরা বা ওয়েটিং টাইম কি বলতে চাস বল?
আমি বলবো আগে থেকে বুক করে আসা ভালো।
প্রি বুকিং করে আসা না?
কারণ এখানে মোটামুটি টেবিল পেতে 15-20 মিনিট দাঁড়াতেই হবে, কারণ ভেতরটা দেখে মনে হলো বেশ ছোট সিটিং এরিয়া।
সিটিং এরিয়া এক্সট্রিমলি ছোট। আর এখানে যে প্রাইস রেঞ্জ যা জিনিসপত্র দেখলাম বুটিকে, তোর কি মনে হয় এখান থেকে কেনা বেটার না শান্তিনিকেতন বা বিষ্ণুপুরের সব জায়গায় যাওয়াটা বেটার?
এখানে নিজেদের প্রোডাকশন বলে নিজেদের একটা ট্যাক্স অ্যাড করছে, যা প্রাইস লিমিট দেখে মনে হলো। শান্তিনিকেতন মার্কেটে ওটা হাফের চেয়েও হাফের প্রাইসে।
এক্স্যাক্টলি। সো আমি 2-3টে ইয়াররিংস দেখলাম, তার প্রাইস মোটামুটি 400-500, যেগুলো আমরা শান্তিনিকেতনে পেয়ে থাকি 30-50 টাকায়, টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট। বাট ওই যে হয় না খানিকটা ট্যাক্স, বিকজ রেস্টুরেন্টের সাথে বা ক্যাফের সাথে কিছু একটা এক্সট্রা অ্যাট্রাকশনের জন্য রাখা তো উচিত। আই হোপ দে আর ডুইং দ্য সেম, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ,
ওকে। সো ভিতরে জায়গা পেয়ে আমরা বাকিটা শেয়ার করবো ডেফিনেটলি তোমার সাথে। স্টেট
ওয়াকিং অ্যাভেলেবল।
Just see, this is the art gallery beside of Siena. So let's go inside. Classes এর photo click করা যায় না আমরা জানি। Just see, this is the inside of Art of Rickshaw. Oh my god, so nice. If you want to purchase those things from here, you can also do it. Is the beside of Siena.
पॉटरी का लिए पूछ रही हो कि पेंटिंग के लिए पूछ रही हो, डिपेंड करता है। और कितने जन हो आप लोग?
If you wanna make classes, I mean if you wanna learn pottery, how to do those things and learn pottery, then you can join this class also. Classes going on in class. But if you wanna do this or if you wanna join this class, then please do visit this Art of Rickshaw. And that's it. Just see those pieces. Oh my god, what a pieces! It's so awesome. Jewelries,
40 minutes तीनों जन साथ।
art rickshaw, these things.
Like
I have seen these things somewhere else, but yeah, so good, two good places. This is the actual ambience of inside. মর্নিংয়ে আসলে বেশি সুন্দর লাগবে দেখতে, পার্সোনালি আমি সাজেস্ট করবো। নাইটে ফটোগ্রাফির জন্য খুব একটা বেস্ট নয়, বাট ইটস ফাইন, ইটস গুড টু হ্যাভ। This is the actual ambience. So enough, the interior place is very small to have, but yeah, it's good to have. So guys, this is the interior, and as I have told you, this is the old charm and the new charm is combined over here in the same cafe. But before booking, please do come before booked, because the place is very small. You will have to wait for 15 minutes. This place inside. So yeah, after waiting of half an hour, we have got it. So guys, I'll recommend, if you are coming over here, just pre-book it from Google. Number is available in the Google. So that's it. Ambience is awesome, as I have expected. Seriously, the ambience is awesome, and the location is very easy near Bashani Devi College. So that's it. I'll be sharing the food quality and the quantities. Experience কেমন বল এসে?
কিছু এখনো স্টার্ট করিনি, তাই এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটা পরে বলি।
না, লোকেশন অ্যান্ড অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স
ইজি টু অ্যাক্সেস,
ওকে ওকে
and aesthetic place, really aesthetic place.
okay. Anything else? It's fully handmade menu. It's not like digital or something like that. So গ্রাম বাংলায় আমরা যেটা দেখে থাকি সব কিছুই হাতের তৈরি, তো এটাও ঠিক তারই একটা বেসিস অফ ক্যাফে। So guys, this is the actual ambience of this cafe. Guys, this is আমার কাছে গোয়া টাইপের মানে I mean type of Goa. I'm feeling like type of Goa. I'm sitting at Goa restaurant or cafe, whatever you can say. I know this is not actually Goa, but still I'm feeling something like that. Just see the ambience and see the actual decoration. And guys, this is the cooler. They are standing. They have set a fan to get here. So yeah, just see the ambience. It's awesome, to be honest. It's awesome as I have seen before, and as per the expectation, it was awesome. The glass they have provided, this is also made by the pottery. This is nothing artificial. This is everything handmade. These are the napkin. This is also handmade over here. Overall experience is good for me. So this is the black coffee. Black tea with honey. And this is লেবুর জল আমি এটার নাম ভুলে গেছি honestly. This is গন্ধরাজ lemonade and this is black tea with sugar. Honey. That's it we have taken till now. And the most important thing is the bottle is they can refill the bottle after 1 or 2 times, even 3 times also, because this is not chargeable, which is a good thing for this high price or overpriced offer. Final food. This is fish, butter fish. It's like batter fish. Butter fish with French fries and mayonnaise. And this is black tea. Thank you. So see the filet. Filet is too much. Filet is too much inside. Taste. But please, at least. Okay, fine. Chana Poda cheesecake we have taken. We haven't tasted it yet, but yeah, we'll test it and we'll be saying. It's good and nice looking. So that's it. And we have ordered another pasta also. Let it come and I'll be sharing that one too. Price is a bit of high, a bit of overpriced, but yeah, the food quality is awesome and the quantity is also for 2. Whatever we have taken, like fish fry, it can be eaten by 2 people. If you are limited eater, and if you are a big huge eater, then it's not possible. You will have to take 2. This is the pasta we have taken. So we will be testing it and then we will be giving you the full review. How is the pasta? Oi, how is the pasta? বল না ভাই, খেতে খেতে বলতে হয় ভাই, বল how is the pasta? Okay, have it. Then we have taken, this is এটা কি ছিল? Ampanna. This is Ampanna actually. As you can see, this is the empty places. During our eating, it has got empty purely. And now I'm giving you the overview. Very calm and quiet place. It's more like you are sitting at the edge of Goa. Yeah, a bit of that. Full old heritage. I meant to say Shantiniketan, Bolpur, these things they have kept in this cafe. Even everything is handmade. Just see the entire things of cafe. Yes, we are getting touch of old Shantiniketan and this thing, right? As you can see, this is the interior place. This is the cafe. As you can see, this is the manager of white t-shirt, and this is the cafe on the ground floor, and this is the restaurant on the 2nd floor. If you wanna visit restaurant, then do pre-book, because without pre-booking they will not entertain you as much as we have got the news. Experience by visiting this Sienna?
It was good. There was around 10 to 15 minutes of waiting time, and other than that, the food was really tasty and fresh, really fresh
And homemade.
Yeah, homemade, handmade actually.
Handmade actually, yeah. It's not.
It's really good actually.
So the thing is, as per the price, yeah, it a bit of high price. It's not a pocket friendly or something like that. But as per the food, the price is worth. If you wanna
Yeah. Actually, it's not totally pocket friendly one.
yes, it's not actually pocket friendly. Even not even reasonable. It's a bit of high, lots of high. But as per the food, the price is okay. I mean worth it, right?
हाँ चलता है,
चलता है बस. ठीक है.
महीने में एक बार चलता है.
Yes, in a
बट
month.
महीने के फर्स्ट होगा तो अच्छा होगा,
End
लास्ट
of-
में होगा तो
दिक्कत हो जाएगा थोड़ा.
वही.
क्योंकि अगर दोनों एक साथ आएंगे तो 4,000 5,000 is minimal.
Yeah.
If you are taking 2 to 3 items, right? And if you are taking one items at least, so it will be 1,500 to
पर रेट
2,000.
अराउंड
1,000.
1000 to 1500
1,500
max.
like that.
Minimum,
So,
minimum.
minimum. So bye bye, take care. We'll be meeting in next video. आज के लिए इतना ही. I hope you will be liking my video and the information I have given to you is good.